welcome back. We got an hour now. I'm getting ready to, remember in my vlog, actually I just posted this vlog, so maybe or maybe not saw it, but I got butter chicken from the lady at the farmer's market. So I'm gonna try to make that tonight. I've already cut up my chicken, and so I have to first make the marinade. So we're gonna get that done. I just wanted to clean up a little bit because I am actually cooking in a messy kitchen, but that's because I want to do this, and if I take the time to clean up the kitchen, then I'm not gonna want to do it, and then I'm gonna wind up finding a way to eat out. So we gotta do what it do. We gotta make it do what it do today. So let me just get this kind of cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll get started. Real quick, these are the things that I'm using for the butter chicken along with actual chicken. Still in my work clothes, or the clothes I wore to work, because again, I just want to get this done. Okay, so I'm gonna actually just angle this down so you guys can see it. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to just move all of this over to the side for now. Alright, so first what we're going to do is make the marinade for the chicken. I'm going to come down here because I'm talking. The instructions say that I need to cover and refrigerate it for 4 to 6 hours or overnight for better flavor. But we're not doing that because I don't have 4 to 6 hours, and even if I did, I would change my mind about what I want to eat by then, so we're not doing that. But what we're first going to do is we're going to get this is supposed to be for a lot, so I'm cutting this in half. Once again, that's how I always have to do my recipes. But we're going to start with 1/4, because of half of a half is 1/4. So 1/4 cup plain yogurt. Okay. Ugh, that looks gross. I'm just getting a spoon so that way I can just scoop this out into there and not dip the whole. Ooh, this is so gross. Let's mix this up a little bit. Gross. I wish you guys can see me and this, but I don't know how to do like a picture-in-picture when I edit, so I don't have time to do that. You guys can just kind of like hear me talk over it. Just put a little bit more in here. Hey Diego. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. We're just gonna scoop it back out into here. Right, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out in case I need this again. Just rinse it out for now. All right, so next we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of ghee. I went and got ghee. I could have just goddamn used some butter for all of this, because all I need is 2 tablespoons. What the hell? So technically I'm gonna just need 1. I could have just used some damn butter in the house. See, it's me always trying to be extra. Oh, this is slipping and sliding. So this is the ghee. I got it from Target because they had pickup. So I don't know if ghee is supposed to be like what true consistency ghee is supposed to be. This is my first time ever using ghee. So hold on. It's like butter but not butter. So like I don't know. Ooh, okay. So I don't know. Okay, so on the top it's here it is, y'all. You see it. See the consistency of the ghee. Okay, so okay, that's really gross. I'm just gonna pour that in here. Yeah, we'll just put a little bit extra in there, just because I'm gonna need hey guys, I'm gonna need this for the actual marinade. So I'm just gonna wipe this off for now, and then it's under here. Okay, so here is the marinade. And it's crazy because I only need, I need a tablespoon of this. TBSP, yeah. I can't get it open, guys. Golly. Okay. So we'll need like a tablespoon and a half. Okay. So I'm just gonna get a let's just like, you know. It smells like there's cumin in here or something. So that's a tablespoon, and we'll do a half. Okay. All right. Obviously my measurements, yeah, there is cumin in here. It smells like straight cumin. Obviously my measurements aren't perfect because like I'm just trying to like do this for like only one person. So okay, so mix all 3 ingredients above, add to the diced chicken, mix thoroughly until all pieces are covered. So we're mixing thoroughly until all pieces are covered, which they are now, as you can see. Cooking with Jasmine, who cannot cook? Okay, just kind of get some of that off the sides. Okay. Actually, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually cover this and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. We can marinate it some. We're not doing 4 to 6 hours, absolutely not. But we can do a little sign. Okay, so all right, let's see what's next. I marinated the chicken. So, okay, so heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and olive oil in a saucepan on medium-high heat. Add marinated chicken and cook for 6 minutes, stirring continuously. Or that definitely says constantly. Okay, and then reduce heat to low and add Surrender's buttered chicken sauce and cook. Well, how much of that am I supposed to add? So this is the butter chicken sauce. So add and then cook that, but it doesn't tell me. Oh, it does tell me how much. 1 cup. So I need a half a cup. And then add heavy cream and simmer for 10 minutes. Taste. I'm on 10 minutes. For salt and spice, and adjust to personal taste. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Serve with naan, I think that's how you say it, cilantro, and tomato, cucumber, onion, lime salad. Well, we don't have all those things. All right, so we're gonna put away the ghee for now. We're done with the yogurt. I literally, why do I do this to myself? Quite frankly, if I knew that if I really paid attention, this is why I have to pay attention to what I'm doing. If I really knew that all I was going to use is a half a cup of plain yogurt, I would not have gotten yogurt this big. And that's plain yogurt too, so that doesn't even have a taste. So I'm just gonna have to figure out a way. I mean, I have granola, so I might have to force myself to eat that because that's like $4 basically. And I'm gonna put these away because I'm gonna let that marinate for a little bit. I'm probably gonna go take a shower. Probably just gonna go take a shower, try to clean up a little bit more in the kitchen, and then come back and cook that. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Take a shower. That'll smell good. We let this marinate for about 45 minutes, I guess. Let's see. Where are the instructions? Okay, so next I'm gonna heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Oh, I read these instructions already, so I'm gonna read them to myself again. So we're just gonna go ahead and you know what? I've never actually done. I thought it was about to fly everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna. So here is the butter sauce now. So what we're getting next is like, I don't know if you can tell because of the lighting. It looks kind of like tomato paste, basically. So we're just gonna get out a half a cup, right? Yeah, so 1 cup. So we're gonna do a half a cup. Jesus, oh my God, what's in that? Sheesh. I don't like spicy food, so let's start there. So we're gonna need ghee. I'll get that out in a second. And then heavy cream, we're gonna need 1.5 cups. So what's half of 1.5 cups? 3/4. So we're just gonna eye it, and we're gonna go ahead and get 3/4 cups, which I knew that. I just want to let y'all know that I knew that. I just wanted to confirm the measurements. I know how to do math sometimes. So this is heavy. Well, is heavy cream and heavy whipping cream the same thing? I don't know, but I have heavy whipping cream. So yeah. Okay. That's probably a little bit more than 3. You know what? I'm just not gonna pour the whole thing in there. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna try to pour it back in there. I think it's a poor decision. We'll need the ghee again. Okay. I'm back. So we're putting the pan on medium high, and we need 1 tablespoon, right? TBSP, yeah. Because teaspoon is TSP. Right. Yes, that's okay. Alright, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, because I don't know what ghee does in the pan here. Let's do the vegetable oil first, because I know what vegetable oil in a pan does. So we're just going to do just a little bit. Alright, that's not just a little bit. I don't know if I was supposed to pour that directly in there. I don't know if I just did that right. Okay. And then we're going to add the marinated chicken, and then we're going to have to stir this quickly. Like what? So nervous, you guys. Anything that requires me to like really cook on the stove is just nerve-wracking to me. have to turn the vent on, so. Son of a bitch! Ow! Yeah, so I just turned it down on low, so I'm waiting for this to like just chill out a little bit before I add the butter sauce or whatever to it. I'm so excited. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this in there. You guys can see it. I'll angle the camera down in a second. Hold on. So I just dropped, I just dropped that in there. So it said to reduce to low and add the sauce. So I don't know if I'm supposed to stir it. But I am. Don't know if I'm supposed to stir it. It doesn't say, it just says add the sauce. So kind of just get that going, and that is, and she said cook for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna turn it up a little bit lower than low. I mean a little higher than low. And that's supposed to cook for 5 minutes. I don't see it doing anything, but okay. Getting ready to pour the heavy cream in here. I'll show you guys what it looks like really quick. It's me spilling heavy cream everywhere. Okay, here's what it looks like. I don't know if people have had like butter chicken before, but butter chicken is really good. And if you don't want to make it, you can go to Trader Joe's and get, I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's called curry there, but I think it's called butter chicken. But in the frozen food section, so good. And it really just tastes the same, to be honest. It literally tastes the same. And then I'm just gonna turn this up a little bit. And then I feel like that was really a lot. But it said to let simmer. I don't know if I just effed up the butter chicken. I really don't know. Y'all look at it. I don't know if I just now messed it up. But she said let it simmer, so I don't have a top that fits that. I think that one's too big. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll just put it on there like that. I am kind of done with the butter chicken. Okay, so what I think I did was I put too much oil in there. And then I think I might have put too much, what do you call that stuff? What do you call that stuff? Heavy cream in there. Maybe put too much in there. So we're gonna see, we're gonna do a taste test. I'm just gonna, okay, I'm gonna show you guys the chicken. Okay, so it looks super yummy. I don't know. Okay, I'm trying to get some lighting on it. Looks super yummy. I'm really excited to try it. So yeah, let me go get. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there for the 90 seconds. As a black person, how do you set the time on your microwave? Do you hit 1 at 30 seconds or do you hit add 30 seconds 3 times? Because I'm a 30, it depends. You know what? It depends. Some days I might hit the number, some days I might hit 30 seconds. It just really depends on how I'm feeling that day. I don't know what was on this plate. Would it be nasty if I use this again? I don't know what was on it. I'm not gonna use it because I don't know what was on it. Probably nothing really because it's pretty much clean. It looks like this plate, so I don't know. Okay. Let's get turn this down. Let's get the rice. So I'm not a person that likes their food to touch, so I don't know if I want. I guess it doesn't matter. Ugh. No, it has to have some type of presentation. If I want a presentation, should I put it on a regular plate? Well, we won't be good. We'll put it on one of these. Okay. That chicken's spicy, yo. Okay, so I don't know how to make a plate look pretty, but I'm just gonna try because I want to take a picture of it. Okay, so this is technically not from scratch, but I think it's good enough. Okay, so I'm actually gonna raise this back up so you guys can see. Like, honestly, if I wanted to, I probably could just add some more chicken to. I have so much of the sauce. I could have probably cut down the recipe a little bit more because it's a lot. It came out. Y'all, it's good. I did that. Guys, thank you so much for watching me cook butter chicken tonight on an episode of Jasmine Doesn't Know How to Cook, but she tries. So thank you so much. Bye.